In EZClaim, when auto-posting your payments, you might see a message pop up that says, "An undispersed payment remains." After clicking OK, you then see the offending service lines highlighted in red, with a status message stating balance exceeded. This occurs after clicking the Apply Payments and Adjustments button. This message indicates that the posting of that payment and/or adjustment would have caused the service line to go into a negative balance. This can be from the payer processing incorrectly, or if you collected and applied a patient copay and the payer said it was a lower amount. If you want to allow a balance to be exceeded or that overpayment to post, you can change your settings by clicking the Options button on the right-hand side. In the Options pop-up, check the option to allow payments and adjustments greater than the balance to be applied. Close your Open 835 and reopen the file. Click Apply Payments and Adjustments as you did previously, and the warning message should now be gone. If you don't change your posting option, the program will not post the offending payment or adjustments, and you will have to manually enter the amounts. If you would like more information about posting options, check out our Auto Post Options video in our EZClaim tutorial playlist. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos are posted.